Let's assume you are building a website where users can learn programming languages, markup languages like HTML, JavaScript, etc. So there you have some codes or keyboard shortcuts in your web page. So let's understand how to show those elements. So let's say in the body tag you have a text that the video tag is awesome. Save the file. You can see the output, the video tag is awesome. But while building a learning website where user can learn programming, is convention to use the code tag and include the coding parts in that tag. So the video tag is an element, so the video tag should be inside the code tag. So before the video text I'm gonna write opening code, and after the video text I'm gonna write the closing code. Now if I save the file, you can see the video tag is in another font and in different style. So this is convention while we build websites where users can learn programming. We put the coding parts or coding reference in this opening and closing code tag. Let me add a break tag and show you another tag which we use while building this kind of websites, that is KBD tag or keyboard tag. So let's say you are showing a shortcut in your website. For example, the text is press CTRL, means control plus C to copy the audio tag. To save the file, you can see the text press Ctrl plus C to copy the audio tag. And this is okay actually, but the convention is while you are showing some keyboard shortcut or tricks to your web page, you should use the KBD tag. So before this control, I'm gonna write opening KBD, and after the control text, I'm gonna write the closing KBD. Before this C, I'm gonna write the opening KBD, and after C, I'm gonna write the closing KBD. If I save the file, you can see the Ctrl plus C text is in another font and has a different design. So keep in mind that while we put some coding stuffs in the website, we use the code tag, and while we add some keyboard shortcuts or tricks, we use the KBD tag.